Hello again and welcome to my bite-sized blog where I share bite-sized health tips and information that's easy to digest. Today I'm talking about recovery from viral burden on your body or post-viral fatigue. Now this could be any virus from COVID-19 to Epstein-Barr virus, also known as glandular fever, to Ross River fever. You really need to know that your body is designed to win, and it can heal and it wants to heal. But there's a lot of key things that we have to do to bring the immune system back on track. One of the key things is diet and nutrition. What we put in our bodies matters. Sugar is very, very inflammatory. So when you're trying to get well, you need to eliminate sugar and processed carbohydrates out of your diet because sugar switches on the inflammation pathways. And when your body is inflamed, that's your immune system in dysregulation. So really, the key things are eat real food, lots of vegetables, lots of nuts and seeds, healthy proteins. It seems basic, but it's really important for optimal recovery. Key nutritional supports is gut biome support. Now, I seem to say the same things, but they're really important for so many areas of your health. For your body and your immune system to recover, you need a healthy microbiota. That means adequate probiotic support. Prebiotics, that's food for the good bacteria. Things like ground up linseeds, things like blueberries, things like psyllium husk, slippery elm powder, even oats, if you're not gluten intolerant, will help to feed the good bacteria in your gut. Other things that are really important for getting your immune system back on track, glutathione. So you can use a sublingual glutathione that's well absorbed straight into the bloodstream. N-acetylcysteine helps to downregulate inflammation as well. Basic nutrients like vitamin C. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a really important one. Therapeutic doses of vitamin D, 5,000 to 10,000 IU a day, might be the key thing that helps to switch your immune system back on. So we need to make sure that nutrition is forefront, that you're getting adequate supports and nutritional supports, and there are some key herbs that help to rebuild and establish the immune system as well. Mushroom complexes are really important for that, as is curcumin, which is from turmeric, and green tea extract is also really valuable for your immune system. But the other thing is stress reduction. Manage your stress, know your body will heal, get the rest you need, adequate sleep. Your body is designed to win. We just have to plug into nature and tune into what nature intends for us in order to maintain good health. So here's a very brief overview, and I hope that helps, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.